the garage. We're gonna be doing just one alternator bushing. Gonna be doing at least that, maybe another. Okay, so gonna be replacing the alternator bushing. Pretty much just have to take the shroud, or the fan and the shroud out together, then the pulley, then the belts, undo the wires. I already have the battery unhooked, and then pull the alternator out and take the bracket off, and then hopefully it's just the blown out bushing, and I'll replace it with one of these polyurethane ones. They're not that much more expensive than a rubber replacement, and they'll last a long time. So let's see what we got here. Let's do the fan pulley. Actually, let's get a, I think it's a 10 millimeter, if I am correct. Ooh. Is it a 10? Yes, it is a 10. Just take the fan on, and lift the fan and the shroud up together. That's how you take a fan, a mechanical fan and shroud out, guys. Take them out at the same time. I'm just gonna let this alternator lay, because I don't want to unhook all the wires. There's no need to. I'm just replacing the bushings on the brackets, which, that's odd. That bushing's gone. That bushing is definitely still there. That's been replaced. So front bushing's gone. That's amazing. All right. Yeah. Just the sleeve from the bushings left. No bushing. All right. Not a big deal. Whew. I got a few bushings. All the hardware looks good. Pretty much, I got all the bushings in, guys. Just gotta go to the reverse order now. So next is the pulley. Hits the hose right there. Just gotta kind of get it about halfway, and then put your fan down in. Everything should just kind of drop down. No issues. And just line the alignment, get plastic guides down there. Tighten your belt up before you get your fan tight. You gotta get your fan and your pulley mounted. It's flush, tight before you start to tighten the belt. Get the last nut on. days since I did the alternator bushings. Had to make some adjustments, and actually had to fix my alternator ground wire. Broke, so it's this wire right here. I had to fix that, so put a new, cut the wire back, crimped on a new end, wrapped some electrical tape around it. I'll get some shrink wrap, heat shrink tubing here eventually and put over top of it. I don't have any right now, so I had to fix that, but as you can see, everything's nice and straight. Yeah, it's running well. Got that little issue taken care of. Got the sun in my eyes. Anyways, we'll got some more work coming up on this, as well as the 244 turbo. But as for now, that's all, and thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.